Hi, my name is N.K. Mehta from Secure Network Solutions. We are into cybersecurity business for last 20 years. In this video, I am going to talk about top 10 trends for year 2021. Friends, each passing year is a challenge for cybersecurity, and year 2021 would be no different. However, year 2020 has been a special year due to the pandemic. Due to work from home situation, there has been a phenomenal increase into number of devices connected into the system. Now this increases the attack surface area. As a result, cybersecurity for year 2021 is going to be much more challenging, because the robust control which we could apply into on-premises devices is not simply possible on the remote connected devices. As per a published report from Cybersecurity Ventures, the estimated cost of cybercrime in 2021 is going to touch about $6 trillion. Now this is not limited only to enterprise businesses, but the SMB businesses are also at risk. Let's see the top trends which are going to affect us in 2021. Let's look at top 10 cybersecurity trends which are going to affect us. Number 1, demand for secure work from home solution would increase, and this may include endpoint security, endpoint compliance, and DLP solutions, etc. Number 2, demand for remote monitoring, employee productivity, and help desk solution would increase. Number 3, hybrid cloud solution would be a norm. Till now, organizations has been flirting with the idea of migrating to cloud. Year 2021 may see the marriage in form of hybrid cloud. Number 4, increase in demand for digital document security and digital rights management solution. Well, reason is simple. Since the workforce is spread out, the documents also get spread out, and hence organizations would seriously look for solutions like digital document security and digital rights management. Number 5, endpoint would emerge as the biggest threat vector. Till now, focus was on perimeter and cloud. This focus is going to shift on endpoints. Number 6, increase in sophisticated email based attacks. 90% of malware still gets delivered via email. Now this type of attacks are going to get sophisticated day by day. As a result, organizations should set up a robust email protection system. Number 7, increase in attacks on cloud hosted applications. Now customers are moving to cloud. Attackers are also watching this journey. Soon they are going to hit back with attacks focused on cloud hosted applications. Number 8, demand in usage of cloud based SIEM and SOAR technologies. Number 9, demand for identity and access management solution. Now it's for obvious reason, as the workforce is spread around, organization will like to know who is connecting to the applications from remote locations. Number 10, mobile security may be fastest growing category, and this because of the pandemic. Now these are my top 10 predictions. Well, predictions are predictions. We may be right, we may be wrong. However, there is no denying of the fact that due to this spread out workforce, the attack surface area has increased, and hence organizations have to protect themselves with latest cybersecurity technologies. Stay safe, stay secure. This is N.K. Mehta from Secure Network Solutions signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.